Welcome back to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this 3D model using its drawing. So let's start with the drawing. This is the drawing. See, this length is 90 millimeter and the total height is 44 millimeter. And this radius is 20 millimeter and the height from this point to this point is 13 millimeter. And there is a cutout. This length is 16 millimeter and the thickness is 18 millimeter. In the top face, there is a circle. The circle has a diameter of 28 millimeter and it is cut throughout. And in this face, there is a rectangle. This rectangle is 10 by 10 millimeter and the distance from this line to this line is 13 millimeter. And also the distance from this line to the bottom edge is 3.5 millimeter. And the total distance from this point to this point is 40 millimeter. And the width is 36 millimeter. So these are the dimensions. And now let's start with the tutorial. Go to Solidworks and open a new part file. Click OK. Change the unit system into GS system. Now select the right plane and sketch. Draw a vertical and horizontal center line. Escape. Now go to line command and draw lines like this. Escape. Mirror entities and mirror these lines. Mirror about this vertical center line. See, click OK. Now go to center point arc. Now trim entities and trim these two lines. Now click OK. Go to Smart Dimension. This total length is 90 millimeter. This radius is 20 millimeter. This length is 40 millimeter. Total height is 44 millimeter. This length is 13 millimeter. And this length is 17 millimeter. Now go to features, extruded boss base. Select here midplane and type 36 millimeter. Click OK. Now select this top face and sketch. Draw a circle. Go to Smart Dimension. Diameter is 28 millimeter. Go to Features, Extruded Cut and select here through all. Click OK. Now select this side and sketch. Draw a vertical center line. Escape. Now center rectangle. Go to Smart Dimension. This length is 16 millimeter. This height is 18 millimeter. Click OK. Now select this line, press the Control key and select this line and make collinear. Click OK. Now go to Features, Extrude Cut and select here through all. Click OK. And now we want the same cutout on this side. So go to mirror, select here front plane, features to mirror, select this last option. Click OK. Now select this face and sketch. Draw a center rectangle. Go to Smart Dimension. This rectangle is 10 by 10. The distance from this line and the bottom line is 3.5 millimeter. And the distance from this line to this line is 13 millimeter. Click OK. Now go to Features, Extruded Cut, select here through all. Click OK. See, our part is complete. Now for the appearance, select the whole part, go to Appearances and select any color you want. I am selecting this color. Click OK. See, this is the final look. Control 7. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.